Hi, welcome again to another session of Vedic Maths. So this is our second class. In the first class, we went through knots and which not, in which we understood how to multiply with 11, multiples of 11, and 12 to 19, and 111, and multiples of 111. Now today's session is about to be more versatile. We are going to do something known as general multiplication. Now here we are not just going to use the 11 concept. Here we can multiply with any number. Any number will do and we can multiply that. Now, the sutra name over here is Urdhva Tiryabhyam. Okay, I'm going to write the name also. What is the name of the sutra? It is Urdhva, Urdhva with a V. Tiryabhyam. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. Okay, mind my handwriting, please. Okay, so what are we gonna do? See, first of all, I'm going to tell you how to multiply a two-digit number with a two-digit number. So let's understand how to multiply that. First of all, I want you to remember this pattern, something like that, to something like that. This. This is called IXI method. Sometimes IXI, as you can see, IXI. The middle guy is just a reflection of the top one. So if I give you, let's say, 12 times 14, immediately I know the answer 156 because I'm teaching you mathematics. I'm a teacher. But you will be doing this soon after this course, definitely with a lot of practice. And after this course, you're going to ace that. Okay, how are we going to do it? First of all, you're going to multiply the unit places. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then cross multiply. So 3 times 1. See, the answer is going to be always in three parts. Okay. Now, first part is always you are getting by multiplying the unit place. The second part you get by cross multiplying and adding. 3 times 1 is 3. Then 2 times 1 is 2 and add them together. What do you get? You get 5. Now, the tens place. So 1 times 1 is 1. So answer is 156. And you can write the answer within seconds. Let's do more. Let's say I give you something like 22 times 21. Now, 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 4. 2 times 2 is 4 is 6. I'm writing directly this time. 2 times 2 is 4. And then can you check the speed? This is what we are looking for in this course. Okay. This is a very beautiful technique actually. Let me take more examples. 13 times 14. This time I'm taking one in which we have to carry. 4 times 3 is 12. But we are writing 12. Let's say for the time being. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3. 1 times 3 is 3 is 7 and 1 times 1 is 1. But the problem here is in our Vedic maths, we don't write two digits. We are going to take this one and bring it over here. That is called thumb rule. So it will become 8. So 182 is going to be your final answer. This is the carry wala scenario. Let's give you more carry ones like this. 6 times 2 is 12. Now 6 times 4 is 24 plus 6 is 30. Now 4 times 3 is 12. Now this is okay with being the two digit, but rest of the guys cannot be two digit number. So this one will go over here. So if 1 goes over here, it will become 31. Now this 3 goes over here, so it will become 151. Oh, I don't have to write 1 over here now. So 1512 is going to be my answer. I hope that is clear. If there is any doubt, you can always comment in our DMs of the Instagram and we will reply to you. Okay. Now, after this, 2D, 2D, that is two digit with two digit. Do you know that all the tables are actually nothing but this only? You apply a zero number over here, there is no digit. This is actually two digit only. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 1 is 9. That is 0 in itself. 9. Then 0 times 1 is 0. Now, if you bring this 1 over here, this will become what? 10. Now this 1 over here, so 108, that's how we get it. So अगर आपका simple tables भी करने हैं, आप इस technique से students को करा सकते हैं, आप खुद भी ऐसे सीख सकते हैं और जल्दी से कर सकते हैं, right? Instead of doing the tables, you can follow this everywhere, okay? Now, after doing 5 questions like this, you'll be doing it very, very fast, okay? So what if it is 3 digits multiplied by 3 digits? Yes, we have a pattern for that also. XIX method, right? So you're gonna write something like this, then something like this, then something like this. You may be like, so what are you drawing? Are you Spider-Man? No, I'm not Spider-Man. I'm just a normal guy who happens to know a lot of Vedic maths. So now this, and this. And voila, this is our technique for the 3 digits. Let's say I give you 121 multiplied by 131. Let's solve this, right? Within seconds, let's do it. Since I'm teaching, it may take some time right now, but when you will do it after some questions, you will do it within milliseconds. Okay, first time this into this. So 1 times 1 is 1. Now this with this and this with this, add them together. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Now this with this with this, and this with this, then add them together. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And 3 times 2 is 6. So this is 8. Now this guy over here, this with this, and add them together. 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 plus 2 is 5. And the last one, you multiply this with this, right? So 1 times 1, and you got the answer. That's pretty quick actually. So that is how you're going to multiply 3 digits with 3 digits. Let me take another example. No need to worry. We're going to take more examples. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. So maybe this time it may be carrying. So 2 times 2 is 4. Remember the diagram? Always remember diagram. The diagram is over here, this, then this, and always remember the middle guy just reflects the upper two guys, whatever is there at the top, it always reflects it. So if you reflect it like this, so this is my reflection of the top guy. So it's kind of a mirror technique. Okay. Now let's do 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is, then this is 8. Then 1 and 4 is 5, and 2 times 1 is 2. And that is my answer. I hope you are getting whatever I'm teaching you right now. So this is my 3 digits multiplied with 3 digits. Now, what if it was something like that? It is 122 multiplied by 12. Can we apply this technique? Yes, put a 0 just like before, just like 2 digit times 2 digit. Now over here, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6. Now you're going to multiply these, right? So 2 times 1 is 2, this is 0 in fact, so 2 plus 2 is 4. This is 1, 0 in fact, this is 0, so you got the answer and we are done, right? I hope it does make sense to you and you are able to comprehend whatever I'm teaching you. Okay. Now, what if, yes, there is a technique for 4 digits also. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have stars for 4 digits. It is rarely used, but I will go on teaching you everything. I'm not skipping anything in this course of Vedic math. So you're gonna have 4 stars this time. Something like this is going to happen. Okay, you're gonna have 4 stars. And I think you can guess what is going to happen now. You can guess this time what is going to happen. Right? थोड़ा space करना चाहिए था, but okay. It is not that much required, but it is always preferred कि आपको पूरा आता हो, हमेशा आपको पूरा आना चाहिए, right? So it is always preferred that you know the entire stuff, right? Now, how many are there? Let's see. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I need one more actually. Okay, and I'm gonna show what I'm doing. See the same thing I'm going to do again. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. And then, yes, you're right. You guessed it right. This is this, this is this. Then the last one. This will be left as an exercise. Then you will do it on your own actually because it's pretty interesting and I think you can manage on your own. This, then you're going to multiply this, then multiply this. Maybe one we can do. Maybe one we can do. Let's do one. So I give you 1, 2, 1, 2. Multiply by 1, 2, 2, 1. चलो इसको करते हैं देखते हैं 1 times 2 is 2. This multiply with this 1 plus 4 is nothing but 5. Then this with this is 2. This is 4 and plus 2 is 6, right? SA, SA and SA. Last this is 1. This that is 2. This is 4 and that is 2. So 4 plus 4 is 9. Now over here, we are going to do the same part over here. So 2, this guy is 1, then this guy is 4. So this must be what? This must be 7. I'm taking my time because I'm teaching you right now. It is very fast. This process is very fast, in fact. Now this times this and this times this. This is 4 and 1 times 1. And you got such a huge number within seconds. So this is how we're going to do such huge calculation for this one. This is very, very interesting. However, it is not usually used that much, but it's pretty interesting to see that where the 4 digit calculation at least takes 3 to 4 minutes, you can do it within seconds, right? That is pretty interesting. And you can make it like this also. for the same scenario. If there is 4-digit times 3-digit, you can make it like that, right? Putting a 0. Now, so let's review what we did. We multiplied 2-digit with a 2-digit, and it can go on with 2-digit and a 1-digit also, like normal tables. Then we multiplied 3-digit with a 3-digit, and it can go on for 3-digit and 2-digit. Then we multiply 4-digit with 4-digit, it can go on to 4-digit with 3-digit, like that, and you can put multiple zeros if there is 2-digit. Now, I'm going to revise the star things, okay? So this is for the 2-digit, the star diagram or something like that for the 2-digit. So this, and that. This is for the 2-digit times 2-digit. If it's 3-digit times, you can do something like that. This, and then we're gonna have this, and then we're gonna have this, right? As long as this image in your picture, you are able to do your calculations very fast, and you're gonna have fun about it. There's 3 digit with 3-digit, and 4-digit is over here. I'm not gonna draw the entire stuff again for you. I think you can see it over here. It's pretty visible. 7 stars are gonna be there, and the middle guy is always the reflection of the top one. So that's it for the general multiplication or Urdu Bharati Madhyam. I hope you enjoyed the session of multiplying any number now, not just 11. You can multiply any number. We're gonna do base method also, another interesting way to multiply very quickly, faster than this method. Can you imagine? So I will see you in the next session. Have a nice day. Tata. Bye bye.